guys, nandito na kami sa Canubango. Magsisimula na kami sa Woodside Farm, water park sa resort. Magsuswimming kami sa resort. Okay, thank you. Well, hello guys. This is my vlog. I'm showing the behind the scenes of the house with swimming pool. Let's see. And another video. Wow. Here.
Kumilim tayo, kumilim mo natin kung kami, gano'n kami tayo. Gano'n dito, kumilim niya to.
Okay.